All right, today I have a Subaru Forester, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers on this Subaru Forester. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm in the Subaru Forester, and I want to turn on the windshield wipers as well as the windshield washer. We'll get to that. But you do this by, I'm looking at the steering wheel right here. And if you look through the steering wheel, there is this lever right here, okay? This is the lever on how to control the windshield wipers, okay? So I'm gonna go through them with you, okay? So I'm gonna take this right here. You can see this is lined up right here. This is lined up with the 0 right here. That's indicative that it is off. Now to turn them on, that's indicative that the windshield washer is off. All right, so like now to turn them on, I am going to take this lever, right? And I'm going to bring it down. And when I bring it down, it turns the windshield wipers on to low. The first notch is the low. Now, if I go down again, it takes them a little bit faster, okay? So that's a little bit heavier rain that's coming down that you want to wash down. And if I do it one more time, it goes really fast. Do you see that? Really fast windshield wiper action going right there. Now to turn them off, I just take this and pull it all the way up and release it, and it stops. Now say for instance you get some bird poo or something on your windshield. Maybe it's just a mist of water from someone's sprinklers. You can actually just turn this on for one stroke or a couple of strokes and it'll get it done. And you do this by taking the lever and pushing it up just like that. And it just does one wipe just like that. Do you see that? Now, there's also an intermittent mode. You can change the intermittence of your windshield washing, okay? Okay, you go down one step right there. It is low, but actually I said it was low, but actually the first step is actually the intermittence mode. It's not actually low. Low is the second step down, all right? So we're gonna go to the first step down, which is intermittent. So it's in intermittent mode. And I can change the frequency of the intermittence by moving this knob right here. It changes the frequency, the length of the intermittence that goes on. All right, you see it's still going right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and then I'm going to get to the windshield washing action. So I just turn it off. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the windshield washer action. Now to wash the windshield right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to pull this lever towards me. Now, when I pull it towards me, do you see what's going on right here? It's washing the windshield just like that. And when I let it go, it stops washing. The water stops coming out and it stops, all right? So we did the windshield. Now we have the rear window. And so to do the rear window right here, you just take this right here and you just turn this knob down like that. And you can see that the rear window is being washed just like that. Do you see what's going on right here? And when I release it, it stops and it finishes. It takes like one more stroke and then it stops just like that. All right, so that is how you control the windshield wipers on this Subaru Forester. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.